Fix backgroundTaskHost.exe system error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Perform clean boot. Other software installed on your computer might result in conflicts and errors. To troubleshoot this aspect, we recommend accessing clean boot. Go to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Here, right-click on each of the non-Windows entries and select Disable. Go to the Boot tab and tick the Safe Boot option. Restart your system. Bear in mind that a clean boot acts as a diagnostic tool rather than a direct solution. Its purpose is to aid in identifying the software that's the root cause of the issue. After initiating a clean boot, the recommended strategy is to reactivate one service or startup program individually, followed by a system restart to pinpoint which element is instigating the problem. Once the problematic software is identified, you can proceed to address the issue by either repairing or uninstalling it. If that didn't work, Fix 2. Scan the device for malware. Fix 3. Install all Windows updates.